Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you're having a great day today. Today I thought I would take you along as I made a breakfast for Grammy School meal prep video. I watched my granddaughter, she's 3 years old. This is my 7th year of watching my granddaughters, and my son and his wife are school teachers, and I serve them breakfast, lunch, and snacks. The oldest one is now in school, and like I said, the one I keep now is 3 years old, almost 4, and I'm doing a breakfast meal prep for the week. Or until it runs out. She's very particular of what she likes. She loves meat. She loves sausage and bacon. So I thought I would just take you along and show you what I make. And it makes my days go along a lot easier when I have something already fixed or planned. And it makes it easier because she don't have to wait as well. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and a like, a comment, or a share. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, just please do that as well. I appreciate you watching. Let's get this breakfast ready. I'm going to go ahead and put together some pancakes. And I picked up this box. I think it was at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to use, I think I used the whole box or close to it. And I use my griddle. And I'm just going to make as many as I can. I also sometimes make waffles with my waffle maker and French toast. But this day I just went ahead and used this pancake mix. I'm going to make as many as I can.